Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, as per your time zone. I, Aparnika Sahu, welcome you all again to my channel, Dance with Aparnika. As we learned shutru Adavu step number 6 in our previous video, and today, without delay, we will move on to shutru Adavu step number 7. We will start from the right side, so we have to lift our right leg and sit in Mood Mandi position, also with bending your upper body. Then repeat from the left leg. After this, we have to move in the left direction with right foot. 1, 2, 3. Now bring the leg which is at the back to the front and sit in Aramandi position. Now same process will follow from the left side. Left, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because now we started from the left side, so we will lift the left leg and place it on the right direction and continue the further process. 4, 5, 6. You have to keep in mind, in this posture, your heels should not fall downwards. We use Tripataka Hasta in this step also. 1, 2, 3. In number 1, when we lift our legs, we have to look with our eyes upwards and keep our hands towards the side in this manner, and also bend your upper body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From here, the hand which was downwards, we will bring it to the level of chest, and the hand which was at the chest level, we will take it in the opposite direction, that is forward towards the left. 3. Now this hand which is open will remain back at the chest level, and the hand which was at the back, we have to rotate it completely in this manner and bring it towards the sides. The special thing about this step is, if one of our hand is towards the front, then the other one will be at the chest level. If the other hand is towards the front, then the first one will be at the chest level. Both the hands work opposite to each other. In the technique of moving the hands backwards, many children rotate their hands above the head. So I tell to everyone, there is a technique that you have to imagine that you clean the wall behind you with a help of a cloth in this manner. So this technique seems to be very easy and interesting to everyone. You all can also follow this trick. Now follow from the left side. Left, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Left, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tat Tai Tam. Dhit Tai Tam. 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 Tat Tai Tam, Dhit Tai Tam, 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 Ta. So this is the last step of shutru or Shikhara Adavu. And if you missed step number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you can check all my previous videos in my description box. We will learn Tirmanam Adavu in our next video. If my dance videos are helpful for you, kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching.